हरि ओम। ओ ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सूर्याय नमः। ओम श्री विष्णवे नमः। ओम श्री महादेवाय नमः। ओम श्री दुर्गाय नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं। भवानी शङ्करौ वन्दे श्रद्धाविश्वासरूपिणौ याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धाः स्वान्तस्तमीश्वरम्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम नमः शिवाय 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 ओम नमः शिवाय। नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव। हरि ओम हरि ओम। So we are seeing the fifth chapter of Gita. Here Bhagwan is talking about karma sannyas. So the journey of the seeker begins by giving up all papa karma, adharma, and following the path of dharma. Then as he follows the path of dharma, gains more and more purity, becomes a seeker, sadhaka, and follows the path of karma yoga, dedicating all his dharmic karma to Ishvara. So as we sincerely follow the path of karma yoga, our mind start becoming more and more pure. We start developing good qualities like Vivek, Vairagya, Shamadamadi, Shat Sampatti, Mumukshutvam. So with this purity in his heart, the sadhaka approaches a master, a guru, and learns about the supreme reality, does Shravan and Mananam, and gains that knowledge. What knowledge? Knowledge of the self, that the self in me is the self in all. Comes to understand the real nature of this self. But the journey is not complete till we gain abidance in that knowledge. So in order to gain abidance, one has to meditate, and in order to meditate, we have to give up all karma, identification with karma, the sense of doership which one has in the karma should be dropped. That is what is called karma sannyas. So along with karma sannyas, when we meditate, we gain that abidance in our own self. So Arjuna had asked question about what is better, karma yoga or karma sannyas. Bhagwan said karma yoga is better, and once you gain that purity and that knowledge through karma yoga, thereafter you can drop all karmas. So person who is yoga yuktaha, well established in karma yoga, becomes Vishuddhatma, his antakarana becomes pure. Vijitatma, he gains complete mastery over his body and over his senses also. Jitendriyaha, and who has come to understand that Sarva Bhutatma Bhutatma, that the Atma of all these beings is not different from my own self. The self in me is the self in all. So when one gains this deep understanding, then even when the karmas go on happening due to prarabdha, that seeker doesn't get bound by these karmas. Kurvan api na lipyate. Therefore, once we gain this firm understanding, see, when we go to the teacher and learn, we do Shravan, but through Mananam, we have to gain that conviction. That conviction is very important. For that conviction, we have to use our yukti, we have to use the words of the Shruti, and also our anubhuti, our experience of dream, deep sleep, and the waking help us to understand what the scriptures are saying, and we gain that conviction that yes, I am that Shuddha Atma, birthless, deathless, free from all modification, and not a doer. I am the self of all. When that firm conviction happens, then even when all the actions are seen to be happening, I should firmly gain that abidance in that understanding that I am not the doer. That's what Bhagavan advises. He says, Naiva kinchit karomiti yukto manyeta tattvavita. The tattvavit, the knower of that tattva, the knower of that reality, should bring that attitude in his heart that Naiva kinchit karomi, that I am not doing anything. I am not doing anything. See, just like if you are standing out in the open and your dress, it moves due to the wind, you can just observe it.